Di ba dapat nakaluhod ka dyan, miss?
Sir?
Dapat nakaluhod ka?
Sabi
Yung position mo? Ha?
pwede daw po.
Pwedeng ganyan? Ang position mo?
Ako. Ano pag ikaw yung gumagawa? Hindi ka naman para kasi
Okay, go. Application of bandaging to wounded person with superficial wound on face.
yan.
Okay, yung bahala doon. Magdala ng ganon. Okay. Ano, monkey puwing? Okay ba sa'yo yan? Diba si monkey puwing eh? Okay? Okay, CPR. Okay, lay down.
Cardiopulmonary resuscitation.
Cardiopulmonary
Pulmonary. Walang natin na nagre-replace sa app. Nag-reply ako. And the chin lift. And check for breathing 3 to 5 seconds. Then start. Tablado pa kahapon. Nang iwan. Facing the nose drill shot. And the other hand on the chin.
Kita alambre oh.
Open your mouth. And the mouth. Ipan mo na!
Kita alambre oh.
Kaya nga, nililisan na yun.
Kita alambre oh.
Close the patient.
Sasabit yan.
Balikan mo na! Then after that, check for the carotid artery of the patient. If there's no pulse rate, perform chest compression
Okay.
by putting the heels of the hand
Okay.
and the patient's chest where the two halves of
Yeah.
the rib cage came together.
Okay, yun. Okay yun, sige. Tapos
And
count.
place the other hand on the top of the hand and interlock the finger. The shoulder must be straightened on the hand and directly above the patient.
Nurse mama niyan, nurse mama niyan.
Above the patient. And sink the breastbone 1 to 2 inches.
Okay.
Perform it 15 intervals 15 seconds.
Okay, commence.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And back again.
And begin.
Okay na?
Tingin niyo sa akin. May salita yun? Oo, ayan. Sir, may mic ba?